Hi, my name is Will Nardiello. I'm here with P2R. I got a brand new Type S. Me and Sean are looking to make it the fastest Type S in America, maybe even the world. Right now the car ran 13.7 with 2 simple bolt-ons. As soon as we have access to the ECU, we should be able to up it up a little bit more. There's a lot of hype on the car from when we first got it. I was really expecting it to be a little faster. I guess they really detuned the car quite a bit. So me and Sean took it to the dyno. We got it on there. We did a couple pulls on the dyno, and it came to, I think, like 286 to the wheels. We're very disappointed in those numbers, so we're back to the drawing board now. With the throttle body and just the mid-pipe, the car dropped 0.3 of a second. So from here on out, with those parts coming, we have P2R's heads. I mean, with their Ferrera valve train and everything else that they do, I mean, it's state of the art. So Sean already has that going over at the head shop. So when that comes back, that's gonna go on the car. Manifolds are gonna go on the car, spacers, all sorts of stuff. So Sean's really just digging into it, and I'm excited about how much power the car is gonna make. So we got a lot ahead of us.
So it's been a couple of weeks since we got the Type S over here. We brought it out to the track about 2 weeks ago, pretty much in the 100% stock trim. We're able to muster up a 1399, more or less. Most passes about a 14.0. So we went to the dyno, we put down 286 horsepower, kind of told us exactly where we're at on the car. So now it's time to just start doing some mods, start getting the car faster. We did a mid-pipe on the car a couple days ago, and we also did a bored throttle body. So, I mean, ultimately the car does sound better. It does feel a little better on the butt test. Obviously we have not been back to the dyno yet, but we just did our first pass tonight and we were already able to go with 13.7. But also the true indicator, we went up almost 3 miles an hour already. We went from 98 miles an hour to 101 miles per hour. And we just did that in the 90-degree weather. So looking forward to seeing what we can get as the night goes on, and we're gonna continue to make some more mods. Pretty much doing one mod at a time because we don't have any tuning yet. So we got to be very particular on what we put on the car, make sure we don't get any check engine lights, and make sure they're working and performing how we hope for them. Because everything we make, we want to be able to release it and see if you guys can put those products on your car as well. So yesterday's event with the TLX went pretty well. First time we went out with the car, we were able to get that 1398. But the reality is the first couple of passes was like a 14.2, 14.1. We were able to get our fastest passes at 1398. Yesterday's event, after we installed the bored throttle body and also the mid-pipe that we installed, we were able to get that 13.7. Unfortunately, we didn't get the 13.7 pass on video. We got a 13.9, but overall, the slowest pass of the night was 13.9 and the fastest pass was a 13.7. So the car has definitely gotten a little quicker. Right now, we're still waiting for tuning to become available. That's gonna be where we make the real difference maker. We're gonna continue to make mods in the meantime, though, mods that don't need tuning, or at least not to throw a check engine light, so we can continue to get the car faster. We wanna be faster before our September race, whether tuning is available or not. So hopefully we can get tuning available before then, but if not, we'll just keep doing what we're doing, get the car quicker through the bolt-ons. Next up, we're doing a CNC ported intake manifold, and we're just gonna take it from there. If you like the all-new TLX Type S, please follow our channel, like, subscribe, and continue to follow us as we release more content on this video. I'll see you guys again soon.